Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to get Snapchat Plus subscription in your Android or iOS. To get it, first of all what you need to do is open your Snapchat application and then hit on the profile icon which is on the top left corner of your screen, and then if you scroll down a little bit, there you will see an option of Snapchat Plus. Hit on that and then hit on the next. If you haven't subscribed to any subscription, then it will say to buy the first free trial, but if you have already taken this one, then there you will see a lot of option of the subscription. Choose any one and then pay for it and use it. So in this way you can easily get Snapchat Plus subscription. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.